Good day. Today I'm going to do another string pull, and I'm going to use, I have Rheotec black mixed with Floetrol spread on the background in very thin, and then I am using a metallic gold and pulling it through with butcher string. Now my voice didn't record very well. It sounded like I was mumbling, so I thought, well, I'm going to do a voiceover. But I really enjoy these string pulls, and the butcher string seems to hold on to a little bit more of the paint. So basically I'm dipping it into the paint and getting the thread soaked. Now before I did the string pull, I soaked the thread or the butcher string in water so it doesn't soak up all the paint, and then started putting my strings in there. And just playing with technique and seeing what different kinds of effect I can get. Sometimes I hold on to the string and pull just one end, and then other times I'm just like this one. I just pulled the end and pulled it through. Just seeing what different effects I can get. This gold is really pretty on the black. I wanted to try some color instead of black and white. And this metallic is really pretty. They're starting to look kind of like feathers or something. But yes, it's another beautiful day in central Alberta. Sun is shining and we're enjoying the summer weather. It's about well, 24 degrees Fahrenheit here, or Celsius. Sorry, I think Fahrenheit, I think Celsius, and then I remember half of you are from all over the world, but it's just a nice, pleasant temperature. When I'm done pulling the string through, I always kind of squeeze it off and pull most of the paint off, because of course you do get black on your thread. So I do that in between and let the other string kind of soak in the gold paint. Now I think with this next one, I try holding it and pulling on one end. It's hard to remember when I look back, but I think that's what I did here. No, I pulled on one end again. You get different effects by using the string differently, by using longer strings and shorter strings. So it's kind of fun to play and see what you do get, because everyone's different. Just trying to balance these out a bit so they look like they kind of fit. Now this one I pulled one end and held on to it and got a different effect. So you never know what you're going to get. Just keep experimenting until you find out what you like. I might try doing some with all colors on the thread. That could be different. It seems to be on this one. This is the one I just pulled one end and pulled it through just to see what would happen. It's much harder to make conversation after you've done the filming than it is to remember not to talk so low. It's so hard when you're talking to yourself to not mumble. I get doing these and, you know, kind of forget. The Rheotec black mixed with Floetrol I spread really thin. It seems to help more of the color stay on, so if you're having trouble with string pulls, maybe try to make sure your paint is really thin on your background. Might be interesting to try some yarn. I haven't tried yarn. That would hold even more paint. This butcher's string holds more than that finer string I used the other day. I'm kind of liking it better, but I'm bad for putting my ball of string down and then I forget where I put it. And I have to do a hunt. But that's like anybody else. As you get older, you're always hunting for stuff. Where did I put that? You always find it, but you might spend an hour looking for it. Yeah, these feel more like plumes of feathers than flowers this time. I think I'm going to call this golden feathers because that's kind of what it feels like to me. Maybe they're from the golden goose that lays the golden egg. Wouldn't that be wonderful? But just have fun and experiment because everybody's going to get different results no matter how they pull their string through. I mean, everybody's going to pull it differently. I always sit there and, how am I going to pull this one through? Where am I going to put it? Always trying to figure out where to put the next one. Trying to kind of get it balanced. But they're definitely fun to do. I really, really enjoy them. And you can get such, I don't know, different cool effects. That's what I like about it so much. And everyone will make you feel a little bit better or different when you make it. And you'll get more practiced at it. Here I was trying to fill out that feather a little bit more, and I like how that turned out. So just keep trying and experimenting. Never give up. Yes, I think I'm done. So, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and keep on painting and pouring. It's really good for the soul. Have a good day. Bye for now.